Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Firefox browser on Windows. So we want to bring up a browser here. So I'm going to bring up the Chrome browser because I have that one installed already. And I'm going to search for Firefox. Okay, so what comes up is www.mozilla.org. I'm going to click on that link and I'm going to click here to download Firefox. Okay, you see my virus checker went ahead, scanned it, it's all safe. So I'm going to go to my downloads here, and I'm just going to right click and open this. It's going to prompt me to allow Windows to make changes or Firefox to make changes to my Windows device. I'm going to say yes. And now it's going to begin installing. Okay, and so now we have Firefox open up. I can set Firefox as the default browser. I'm not going to do that right now. I can import from a previous browser, and I'm not going to do that either. But let's click Save and Continue. And I'm going to skip connecting the phone here. And I'm just going to start browsing. Okay, so we've got Firefox installed on your Windows computer. Hopefully this video was helpful to you and you like it. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.